Hey everybody, I'm Mike Martin, and in the next few minutes I'm going to demonstrate why Lead Simplify is the most powerful software ever created for the lead generation industry. But first, I would like to ask you a question. Who are the biggest, most profitable companies in lead generation? Well, let me answer this for you. In the USA, it's Home Advisor. In the UK, it's Rated People, and in Australia, it's High Pages or OneFlare. Between these few companies, they generate billions of dollars every single year. Now, what do you think is the one thing all these companies have in common that enables them to dominate the industry and grow year on year when everyone else in our industry is struggling to make ends meet? The answer is simple. They all implement the exact same business model, and this business model is the most profitable way to start and grow a huge lead generation company online. Now let me show you why their business model works so well. They all have systems which have cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars to build, and those systems enable them to create multiple forms on their own website. These forms break down the lead by trade and location. They then distribute the lead to all the lead buyers on their system. And when those leads are purchased, they make money on complete autopilot. Sounds simple, right? Yes, of course it does, but can you afford to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a system right now that does all this for you? Well, don't worry. Let me introduce to you the groundbreaking new software, Leads Simplify. This software enables you to create forms for any niche in a matter of just a few minutes, add them forms to any website in the world, not just your own like the companies above. When them forms are completed, they will break down the lead by trade and location. They will distribute the lead to all your lead buyers on your system. And when those leads are purchased, you make money on complete autopilot. Now, the cost of this system is going to increase massively very, very soon. But during the very limited launch period, we are providing a crazy deal for the first few hundred lucky people who get in the door. If you sign up today, you are going to get access to one of our unlimited licenses, which after the launch will cost you $397 a month. Not only that, but you will get included today completely free of charge, an unlimited lead management system with a value of $47 a month, an unlimited staff management system with a value of $47 a month, an unlimited accounting system with a value of $47 a month, an unlimited email marketing system with a value of $47 a month, an unlimited text message marketing system with a value of $47 a month, access to our home-based business model training course with a value of $197, and a PDF download with all the most profitable home-based form niches on the planet, a value of $197. That's a total value you're going to get today of $7,978 a year. For the small monthly amount below, you are going to get everything you need to completely dominate the lead generation industry in your chosen niche and create a huge automated online business just like the companies above who have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars and now generate billions of dollars every single year online. The amazing price will be increasing after every 100 purchases, so act right now to lock in this amazing deal for life. And if for any reason you're not 100% happy with your purchase, then we offer a full, no questions asked, 14-day money-back guarantee. But people, I really can't stress enough how important it is that you act today, because after the launch, our prices will increase to $97 a month for a 25-seat license, $197 a month for a 100-seat license, and $397 a month for an unlimited seat license. And we will never be making this special offer ever again. Scroll down this page right now and take the first step to your completely automated future online. Act now 100% risk-free.